How to use Lyft for airport pickup or drop-off. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to use it for airport pickup or drop-off, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now, simply book your ride. Set your pickup or drop-off location. The location as the airport terminal or a designated Lyft pickup zone, just like this. And simply choose your destination of drop-off and tap on to confirm pickup. Now simply select the type of ride you want and confirm your ride. And meet your driver at the designated spot. Follow the app's instruction for the exact pickup or drop-off location. Many airports have specific zones for rideshare pickups. Look for signs or check the app. And that's it. This is how you can use Lyft for airport pickup or drop-off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.